A metronome is one of the most essential tools for every musician. In this video, you will learn what a metronome is and how it works. We explore the history of the metronome, from Johann Nepomuk Maelzel's mechanical design to modern digital and software-based metronomes. A metronome is a device designed to produce a steady and regular pulse at a selected tempo. It helps musicians maintain consistent timing, practice rhythm accurately, and develop a strong internal sense of pulse. The modern metronome was first developed in 1815 by Johann Nepomuk Maelzel in Germany. Its purpose was to provide an objective and standardized method of measuring tempo, replacing vague and subjective tempo descriptions. On mechanical metronomes, a winding key is located on the side or back of the device. Before use, this key must be turned to wind the internal spring, which supplies the mechanical energy required for the pendulum to move and produce a steady pulse. This mechanism is not related to musical tuning, but solely to powering the timing system. A metronome operates by being set to a specific BPM, beats per minute, where each click represents one beat. Musicians synchronize their playing with this pulse. In mechanical metronomes, tempo is controlled by a movable weight placed on the pendulum rod. When the weight is positioned lower, the pendulum moves faster, producing a higher tempo. When the weight is moved higher, the pendulum swings more slowly, resulting in a lower tempo. The tempo markings printed on the metronome correspond directly to the exact position of this weight. For example, when the weight is set to 60 BPM and synchronized with the clock's second hand, the metronome clicks exactly once per second, demonstrating its mechanical accuracy and direct relationship to real time. At 120 BPM, each beat lasts half a second. An important feature of many metronomes is their ability to count and organize beats within a measure. In early mechanical metronomes, this was achieved using a side mechanism or movable lever, allowing the musician to emphasize the first beat of a group, such as 2, 3, 4, or 6 beats, often by means of a bell or accent sound. This feature supports accurate practice of meter, phrasing, and rhythmic structure. This counting and accent function was later expanded in digital metronomes, offering adjustable time signatures, accents, and subdivisions. In modern software-based metronomes, these features are further developed, enabling complex rhythmic patterns, visual feedback, and advanced tempo control for practice, education, composition, and performance. Tempo does not change the value of notes. It changes how fast beats pass in time. A quarter note always equals one beat, but at faster tempos, the beat is shorter, and at slower tempos, it is longer. Thus, tempo controls the flow of time, not the rhythmic structure itself. In academic music education, Regular practice with a metronome is regarded as one of the most fundamental and essential training tools. It plays a crucial role in developing rhythmic accuracy, ensemble coordination, technical proficiency, and the correct interpretation of notated music, ultimately supporting reliable performance in both live settings and studio recording. In the next video, you will learn about time signatures and bars in music. This channel offers creative lessons designed to help you learn music theory quickly and easily. If you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the next video to continue learning.